Artisans are very unique. Creativity is unique to every last individual. Can AI replace it? I honestly don't think so. I think it becomes close to the perspective of what we're seeing, but it's only a carbon copy. It needs information in order to produce based on the origin that it's given. Welcome to another session of Strategies for Creatives, and today we are talking about technology and is it replacing your creativity? Let's brainstorm. Technology at its infancy is nothing more than a tool. We would like to think it as more than that, but when you look at the basis of it, it is supposed to enhance and also help you be more effective in your processes and what you're doing. No matter if it's a supercomputer or a piece of software or a hammer and a nail and some type of wrench. One of the hot topics that we're also looking at now is AI, artificial intelligence. How is it affecting our day-to-day operations? How is it helping, hindering, or influencing us to do more or actually to hinder us from what we need to do? One major article that just came out is about Amazon and how they have been leveraging AI within their day-to-day operations. I believe in a lot of cases it's some of their warehouses, and it has replaced 100,000 jobs. That's a lot of jobs. But we also have to consider, what were those jobs? How was AI replacing them? Is that a mundane job? They're lifting boxes or helping sort. This is some of the sticky areas that we have to face when it comes to AI actually supporting or helping or hindering, because now we have to look at, what is our job really? How is our job really effective? And is our job even being able to be replaced? In this case, it was, because the job may have not been as significant for a person to be in the position rather than a machine. All of those aspects when it comes to people being afraid or fearful of if they're being replaced or maybe on the chopping block of that organization. Are you willing to continue to evolve and able to keep up with the ability of technology in order to support it, manage it, and understand how to navigate with it? There was another article that spoke about AI actually producing a track that sounded like Jay-Z. So now we have AI replacing artisans or individuals that are considered known in the music industry. And then we also seen it do the same thing for some artistic ability digitally. One of the major things I like to think about is artisans are very unique. Creativity is unique to every last individual. Can AI replace it? I honestly don't think so. I think it becomes close to the perspective of what we're seeing, but it's only a carbon copy. It needs information in order to produce based on the origin that it's given. Any individual being creative has to have some level of origin for that AI and that technology to copy from. What are you doing that is that impactful for AI to even want to copy you? The other aspect is, are you focusing on your own origin, following what you are innately designed to do? Or are you copying as well, just like AI? This is the danger that comes in the fact of being a creative, being an artisan, being unique, being an originator, rather than being a copy of something else. Now, granted, it's very difficult to say that, oh, I'm the first to ever do it, I'm the first to ever, create, because we all grab inspiration for something. This is no different from AI. AI is grabbing information and inspiration from another individual or another entity in order to produce. Here's the part that makes it fun. If you are creating something, you will have a piece of it, you will have inspiration, but you still have to lean on your creativity, your thought process, and your style that makes it unique to you. This is what AI also tries to do. It tries to make it unique based on what you are portraying. So will it create for you? Yes, it will. But you also have to give it something to do. This is no different from a paintbrush in the hands of an artisan or a vocal mic in front of a singer. The mic cannot do it for you. It only enhances what is already there. I hope you enjoyed this topic. Like, subscribe. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and also share with somebody else that you feel will enjoy it just as much as you.